If you're looking to set up an SMM panel business, I am here to help you. All right, I'm going to show you some examples of what websites you can also use, and I will set that up for you perfectly. You can make little tweaks in between. All you got to do is tell us exactly what it is you want, and the team will get straight to it. Now, if you have an SMM provider already, we can integrate them into the website that you've chosen. If you don't, we can recommend one for you. But either way, you're going to have to contact us underneath this video to get started. So guys, let's go and have some fun. Let's check some examples out, and you can literally have a business in maybe a week, fully automated, people paying you money for that service. Let's check it. So guys, here's an example of what I can build for you, okay? You can choose any of the examples I show you, and of course you can put your tweaks in and we can do that for you. So here's a little design that you can see, bit with animation, with all the people going in. I really like what we can do here, going through different techniques and the features. But guys, it's easy, okay? Whatever kind of example you need, I'm gonna go through a few here. We could build your SMM panel, all right? It's very, very easy. So if you wanna choose a different kind of classy look, here you go, all right, going down, and obviously we will connect the provider for you. We will connect it through Perfect Panel. Okay, so if you have your own SMM provider, we'll connect it for you. If you don't, then we can recommend one to you. So that's the second one. This is the third example I want to show you. And we do have a lot, guys. I'm just showing you probably the top 5 in my opinion. Okay, it's a really cool, clean example of what we can do. And again, this will be done for you. And if you want tweaks, you want different things, integrate in your panel, again, we will do that. So this is a bit more dark on the professional side. But again, you can have real people purchase, whether that is you, whether that's someone that's using the service. Okay, it doesn't matter. Another example here, more cartoony look, all right, with all the emojis coming through, all the different ones, making it vibrant, making it pop. Again, you can use this example and this panel, all right, and you could choose even a little bit of every single one. Okay, so what do? You choose your base, say this is what you want in your base, and you can have a look and say, oh, well, I really like the way that this pops off the 5, 4, or 6. So we'll go to your base and we can add that in, okay? We can do little niche changes to make it absolutely unique to your business. Now, when I say we connect this through Perfect Panel, what we do is we allow you to have the full system operating. So if we go to one of these right now, you'll see that if we go to how it works and the services, okay, we want to actually buy something, you need an actual service. You can't just come in here and say, we're going to give you LinkedIn followers and not have them there. We will connect that for you. So it doesn't matter what example website you want to use. If you want to buy Instagram followers on this one, for example, okay, you're going to go to all services. It's going to come here. Now, they have their own provider that we helped connect, and then they'll choose. So if you have your own provider, we can do it for you. If you don't, then guys, we will just give you our recommended provider here, and we'll connect through Perfect, and this will all be explained clearly to you. So if any of these examples jump out of you, please let me know. We can set this up and you can have your business automated in SMM Go panel in literally a couple of days. This will be finished and you'll be making money. There you go, guys. Make sure you do contact us down below for any questions, any queries, and get started today. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. I'll see you next time.